Let's dive into the real cause of earthquakes. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Earthquakes are a fascinating yet complex phenomenon that has captivated human imagination for centuries. These seismic events have the power to reshape our planet's surface, causing destruction and chaos in their wake. But what triggers these tremors? In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the causes of earthquakes, examining the intricate dance of tectonic plates, geological processes, and human activities that contribute to these powerful events. Tectonic plate movement. The Earth's lithosphere, the outermost solid layer, is broken into several large plates that fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. These plates are in constant motion, slowly moving over the more fluid mantle below. There are three main types of plate movements: divergent, convergent, and transform. 1. Divergent motion. Plates move apart from each other, creating new crust as magma rises to fill the gap. This process is evident at mid-ocean ridges and the East African Rift System. 2. Convergent motion. Plates move towards each other, resulting in subduction. One plate is forced beneath another, or collision, plates collide and crumple. Examples include the Andean mountain building process and the Himalayan orogeny. 3. Transform motion. Plates slide past each other horizontally, without creating or destroying crust. The San Andreas Fault in California is a prime example. As plates move, they can get stuck at their boundaries, causing stress to build up. When the stress becomes too great, the plates will suddenly move, releasing energy as seismic waves, which is what we feel as an earthquake. Geological processes. In addition to plate movement, various geological processes contribute to earthquake activity. 1. Volcanic activity. Movement of magma and gas beneath a volcano can cause earthquakes. 2. Isostatic adjustment. The Earth's crust adjusts to changes in weight, such as the melting of ice sheets, causing earthquakes. 3. Collapse of underground cavities. Underground caverns or voids can collapse, generating seismic waves. Human activities. Human actions can also alter stress on the surrounding rocks, leading to earthquakes. 1. Injection of fluids. Injection of fluids into the ground, such as fracking or wastewater disposal, can alter stress on the surrounding rocks. 2. Reservoir construction. The weight of a large reservoir can alter stress on the surrounding rocks. 3. Mining and drilling. Human activities like mining and drilling can change the stress on the surrounding rocks. Conclusion. Earthquakes are multifaceted due to tectonic plate movement, geological processes, and human activities. Comprehending their origins is vital for mitigating risk, preparing for earthquakes, and responding effectively. By appreciating the planet's dynamic nature, we can advance its safety and resilience,